Hi guys, and welcome back to AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. Well, I say welcome back if you are a returning viewer, of course. If not, please do, or a new viewer to the channel, please do check out a few of our videos. In for today, we have something rather different. So I'd never heard of this car before, so it's a new one to me, and it's a Gordon-Keeble. This is in with us to have a new hood liner fitted. So we're removing the old hood liner, which is sagging and falling off, and supplying and fitting a new one, which is a product called Dynamat. So it's a Dynamat Hood liner. This will give heat protection to the bonnet and sound deadening as well. So stay tuned for this, and we will get this removed and fitted and give you a little view around the vehicle. Thanks again for checking out the video. Don't forget, do please like and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and we'll get cracking with the video. Thanks very much. Right, so this is what we're removing, and is the old hood liner, which, as you can see,
loose and bad, isn't it? It's not
held together with some tape.
Held on by gaffer tape, look.
So we'll be, or I'd be removing that, give the area a clean up, and then I guess use it as a template.
Yeah, use it as a template. This is the new hood line we've got over here.
Fantastic, let's have a look.
Dynamat reduces noise, protects paint, blocks out the old heat. Look.
Superb, mate. Superb. Looks good stuff. Let's have a look in the box, shall we?
Have a look in the box. Let's
Lose the box. There you go. So it comes in sheets, as you can see. So that's about the size of one sheet in one box.
That's the size of it, mate.
That's about the size of it. So it's got your heat protection, as you can see on the side that will face the engine. Lovely jubbly. Nice bit of foam for the insulation.
Lovely bit of foam.
And sticky back.
Sticky back plastic.
Sticky back for the back.
Sticky back plastic.
No turning back once we stick this on.
That is it, mate. That is it.
Very nice car. And here we have, so Fraser's going to give us a little bit of information about the vehicle. Please do tell us.
I'm guessing you're referring to the beautiful 1964 Gordon-Keeble we have in at the minute. Absolutely beautiful in a stunning cherry red. Now if we take a tour around the car, I'll tell you some fun facts about the car. The engine is a 327 Chevrolet engine, all-American muscle engine. Now the car back in 1964 was designed by the Italians, who are brilliant at designing cars and playing football apparently. All built in England, assembled in England, very rare, beautiful car.
It is extremely rare. Thank you, Fraser, for your wealth of knowledge there on this vehicle.
There's real leather in here, Fraser.
It is, I have to say, it's rather smart with the classic vinyl roof. Also, as you have stated, in the cherry red. It's, I have to say, it's a very good condition example. And I have to say also, the only one we've ever seen. So very rare. Rather cool emblem on the bonnet. In fact, comment down below if you know anything about this car or these cars. We'd love to know a little bit more information, won't we, Fraser?
Well, I know everything anyway, but if you think you know more than me,
comment down below.
Yeah, you know, comment down below, leave a comment. That goes out to all my fans out there. You know.
all Fraser's admirers.
Yeah, I appreciate all the fan mail, but it does have to stop. The postman is exhausted. You know, it's really kind of you guys, but
it's lovely to have the support, isn't it, mate?
It is. It's
lovely
really
to
nice
have the support. So as he said, comment down below if you know anything about this vehicle, because we'd love to know a little bit more info. So Ad's now cut it all to shape, haven't you, pal?
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Shape, mate. Here we are. We're doing it in 2 parts. So this is the top half here, and then we'll do a little snippet at the bottom.
Yeah, a little lower section.
Yeah.
We test fitted it just to make sure it's all good.
Good to go, really.
Now we're going to get it on there.
Yeah, baby.
Lovely times.
Peel this old paper off.
Yeah, it's very sticky on the back.
Very
extremely sticky. There we go, so it's all now stuck on and Ad. It's looking good.
On, mate. All good.
We'll give you a bit more of a close up. So we've had to do it in 2 halves just to give a nice finish to it all. All nicely lined up. It's extremely adhesive, so that will stick nicely onto there. Give a bit of heat protection and a little bit of sound deadening as well. So this rather nice engine. There we go. Great condition car this. So it's nice to have something rather different in. Hi guys, and thanks as always for checking out another one of our lovely little videos. Well, it's been a pleasure working with this one. I'll be honest with you, I'd never even heard of this make until the customer brought this in. So it's been a pleasure working with this Gordon-Keeble. Fantastic car, I have to say, in amazing condition. So very kind of the customer to trust us to do a couple of little bits on it for him. So one of the minor little things we've done, which we haven't really included in the filming for this, has been to carry out a seat repair to the passenger seat. It's just where some stitching had come undone, so we've taken the seat out, restitched it all and sorted that out for him. But the main thing we were doing was removing the very saggy and old hood liner or sound deadening from the bonnet, from the inside of the bonnet, and supplying and fitting some of the Dynamat hood liner. So we work quite a lot with the Dynamat products, particularly with the sound deadening in the interiors of the cars, on the on the floors and what have you. So it's been nice to do something a bit different with one of their products and fit the hood liner. So if there's anything like this we can help with, please do give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs, because it's a pleasure to work on your cars. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, that way you'll stay, we hope, fully up to date with everything we're doing. Lots more interesting stuff to come, so stay tuned to the channel. As always, take care, look after yourselves, and we will catch you again soon. We're going to give you a last little look around the car, of course, to finish the video off. Take care.